So let's get started, guys. I have got a mini course on LinkedIn organic outreach. So basically, we are talking about marketing your school free community or paid community. That means you're promoting your community via sending out bulk invites on LinkedIn. Okay. So let's directly jump into this topic and explore what we can do with the help of a tool like LinkedIn. And this is not something that you will be able to do it with automation. That's a more of a higher level thing that you would be looking at as an automation of LinkedIn for DMs and all. So I know sometimes it's really difficult to do a lot of automation and create a workflow to send automated DMs, right? If you are somebody who is like not really okay with doing that of a complex task, then this particular course today, mini course, is going to help you understand simplest way to actually start sending invites to your connections for asking them to join your community, whether it be a free community or a paid community, doesn't matter. You could do that right away with a simple approach on LinkedIn. The first things first, you need a company page. That means just like how you have your Facebook page for Facebook or Instagram page for your business, similarly, you'll have to have a company page on LinkedIn in order to do what I'm about to train you, right? Make sure you also have at least 500 to 1,000 connections on your LinkedIn already. That's a good number to have, right? You could even start with 100 connections, but always good to have at least 500 to 1,000 minimum, right? To have that impact of people joining your community when you are sending them invites. Okay, great. Now, also understand that the strategy that I'm showing you is easy and simple to market. That means you'll be only pressing one button to send bulk invites at one go, and that will help you ask your audience to probably go ahead and check your link of the community directly without having to go through a DM loops or back and forth messages. But a second level of work or the task can also be as an add-on or an optional one, which where you might want those people also to see you through a DM of maybe a conversation or a message about the invitation or the greeting that you're sending them to, asking them to join your school community, whether it be free or paid, right? So let's jump right in and see how that works, right? So this is how your company page will look like on LinkedIn, and you have got an option to create an event right here. So you'll have to go to create event. Now, why we are creating an event? Because event is most easy lead magnet that you have on LinkedIn. That means people will see this as in their feed when you are actually showing up the details via event. It will show up in the feed as well for people who are trying to search. That's a good part about events, right? And additionally, it's very simple and easy to set up as a magnet because it gives you option of having a cover page and a description of the reach out or the campaign that you're running, and that makes it more feasible to run an organic campaign like this much more easier on LinkedIn without having to take too much trouble of trying to send a lot of DMs, right? Or if I have to take a sample here to work with, I'm going to take some random cover that I have from my previous event or something. Okay. And then all that you have to do is just apply this, and then your cover is ready, right? And then you've got format. So you could do a LinkedIn live event, or you could also go ahead and do an external link. That means it could be a Zoom call, a breakout room, or whatever you want them to come into before you actually make them to join free community. If not, let's say you don't want to do all of these things, you want to just see if they are ready to join your community directly, then give the event name whatever you want. Even it can be your community name, and then give the external link right here. So event format is external link, and then I'm going to change my time zone right away. So let's take Hawaii for now, just an example. You could set up a date, a range, so that the invites that you're sending can go from today onwards to next 15 days. And daily you'll have to just press one button after selecting all the contacts, and the invites will go ASAP, right? Instantly, right? Now there's a start date and end date to the campaign so that you know, okay, 15 days is what I will be working on this campaign. Maybe you spend just less than 10 minutes in a day to do this. Now, external event link can be your school link. So, for example, if I want to share my own free community link, then it's so simple that I just browse my community page, and copy the link for the invites and then come back here on LinkedIn. Just put it in external thing and that's all. That's all you have. If you want to go with a second level of content or things like that, you could also use LinkedIn lead generation form. Then you could add a description of your community or maybe roll out your offers for paid community if you have a paid one that you want to market. You could also have speakers mention about what topic you're selecting to talk about on LinkedIn, or maybe if you're not even talking about it, still it will give them that authenticity of trying to know who is hosting this event and who are the stakeholders, right? That's a good part as well. And that's all. The event is basically ready now to be published. So I'll show you one of the published event that I already have so that we have, much easier way to look at it. So I've got a lot of events that I've done, which I had seen a great success in terms of getting people to, you know, interact with your content, or it also be organic lead generation, right? So now, right, as you see on my screen, this is one of the event that I've recently created. So if you see this link, the event name itself is Business Growth Channel. It's very clear that I'm asking them to learn business and AI tools for free in my community, which is a major motive that we have for this community, right? Building business through tools. So business building means also building strategies, also doing a lot of modeling of your business or revenue stream design. All of that we are going to help you do it via AI tools is what my promise to the community is, and that's how the community is free to use as well as of now, free to join in and engage, right? And after that, as you have used the external link, this is where exactly how it works. This will go to your community, right? And now you have got share button and also invite button. As much as share button is very nice to work with, but invite button is crazy. So that means if you have, say, 3,000 connections from various locations that you have, or geographies or cities, you could filter them out by cities or whatever, or country or whatever, and then start sending them invites by just selecting them here. So if you see, I've just sent out a couple of invites for people to join in, right? Now you could do it as a bulk activity. Just select few of them that you want, not few of them. If you want to also select, say, 1,000 people at one go, bingo, here it is. You could do just right away like this, okay? And once you are done with this, I'll just toggle this up a little bit out here, okay? Now, this invite button can send bulk invites right away to all of the people that you have in your connection, and bingo, maybe 500 people, maybe 1,000 people, and that's what this mini course is all about, a great value that you should be looking at, and hoping to see and launch another few courses, a couple of few courses like this for you guys to learn more about these tools, which are crazy to learn and much easier to actually help you grow your business, whether it be marketing or other initiatives as well. So looking forward to connect with you on a strategic partnership front soon. I'll be very active, and I'm hoping that you guys also be joining me in to various initiatives that we are launching in this community. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.